Hello guys, welcome to Clean Review. This video is going to be interesting. I'm going to review and show demo of this car vacuum cleaner which I purchased from Amazon. You can use this for cleaning car or to clean desk, cupboard, sofa at home, as this comes with both cord and cordless mode. Let us check full details of this vacuum cleaner. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. These are the items we got inside the box. This is main motor unit. Outer body is completely plastic. On top there is a sliding type power button. So here middle position is off. Pushing backwards uses power from cord 12-volt socket through cable if connected. Pushing forward uses power from inbuilt battery, which is like a cordless mode. This button is to remove dust container. Here inside there is a motor with 8 kPa suction capacity. On backside there are two inputs. One is Type-C input to charge the battery. Other input is to connect directly to cord 12-volt socket and use instantly even when battery is down. This is filter which is washable. Extra filter is also provided inside the box. This will block all small dust particles and no mask is needed while using this. And this is kind of blocker which helps to seal edges and helps to stop leakage during wet section. This is dust container with 500 ml capacity and made up of plastic. This blocker goes inside dust container to seal edges. Filter comes next to prevent the dust entering the motor and also through exit. Now attach this to main unit. This locking system holds dust container tightly. This vacuum cleaner comes with 4 attachments and 2 cables. Flexible tube to reach small areas and gives 30 cm extra length. Breast tape attachment, this is for general cleaning purpose. Crevice tool to reach corners and small spaces. This attachment has rough pads to clean car seats or sofas. Extension is possible with combination of tube and attachments. All attachments can also be directly connected to main unit. This button will release dust container. Always hold dust container while pressing this button. Type-C charging cable of length 1 meter. Car 12-watt cigarette lighter cable of length 3 meter. Now we will see different ways we can use this vacuum cleaner at home. Here is my office desk. Let me clean this in battery mode. Product description says it has 7500 mAh battery which can be used for maximum time of 20 minutes only. So this is only useful for quick cleaning for small period of time. Here is a collected dust. Using crevice tool, dust stuck inside sofa corners or joints can be removed. Here you can see it is able to suck all those small foot pieces easily. Using extension tube, you can reach for spaces and now cleaning dust inside window rails will be easy. You can also clean dust or any spill inside kitchen cupboards using extension tube and brush attachment. This is easy and quick than normal manual cleaning. First, always switch on car engine. Don't use while car engine is off, that may drain off your car battery. Now push powered button backwards to use this mode. In this mode you can use more than 20 minutes but should not use continuously for long period. Always 5 to 10 minutes gap is required for every 15 to 20 minutes of usage. Use crevice tool to clean near corners or near dashboard. If not able to reach some areas directly, use extension tube to clean easily. With provided cable length, you can easily reach backside of car while taking the cable through the door. But you cannot reach boot space this way. If cable is taken from inside of the car, you can reach boot space, but this is kind of a drawback. Before cleaning, remove all the dust from the container and other parts. All these parts can be cleaned using water. Just wash all the parts under running water and dry thoroughly before using again. Never wash main unit, just wipe with dry towel. Suction power is really good. It is able to clean light and hot dust easily, only struggling with big size paper pieces. Using crevice tool gives more suction power than brush attachment due to low cross-section area. It comes with light at front to clean during night or near dark areas. A lightweight body with good design to hold in single hand and easy to clean. As it has Type-C charging cable, you can use directly your mobile adapter. With this 12-watt socket cable, you cannot reach all areas of car easily. Under this price range, almost all cordless vacuum cleaners comes only with limited runtime. If you are planning to clean car weekly once in battery mode, you have to find a way to charge again to reuse later. And charging time is almost 5 hours for full charge. If no charge in the battery, to use through cord, you should start engine and connect wire and bring the vacuum cleaner to cleaning area, even for a quick 5 minutes cleaning. This drawback is common for all car vacuum cleaners. Noise level is medium. Check out this product, I will add link in description. Thanks for watching this video.